Now we have our immersion circulator, which is maintaining a constant temperature, as well as circulating the water. We know that water is the best conductor of heat. So as the water is circulating, it's going through the pump, heating it to 57 degrees Celsius. We were cooking a piece of turbot, which is a beautiful, flat, white fish, traditionally caught in the Northern Sea, something that's a very highly prized fish. This fish can be almost any fish that you like. Turbot is what we've chosen today. So it's been cooking for about 6 minutes. It's a relatively thin fillet, so we know that this size fillet at this temperature is going to cook in approximately 6 minutes. We've cooked it with a little bit of butter and a sprig of tarragon, as you can see. Now, the thickness of the fish really defines the length of time that it cooks. In other words, this fillet could be this long and the same thickness, and it would still take the 6 minutes to cook. Once again, there's a lot of information about time and temperature as it relates to different pieces of proteins that are going to be available in our workbook. So we're just going to quickly have our turbot. In the meantime, I'm going to make a classic petit pois à la française, which is springtime. So we have beautiful spring peas. We have our sauce supreme, which is a chicken velouté enriched with cream. That's the basis for the petit pois. We have our young peas. These peas have been big pot blanched, and something we've done in our first master class. Beautiful pearl onions, cooked sous vide. Some applewood smoked bacon, cut into dice and blanched. And then a little chiffonade of lettuce. This is romaine lettuce. And you just put that in at the very end, so it more or less wilts. Smells beautiful. We'll check the seasoning. Adjust it. Add just a drop of butter. And you see how that lettuce has just wilted there? In the meantime, I'm going to take a little more sauce supreme. Drain my turbot. Beautiful. I'm just going to glaze. So for those of you who are wondering how we do this in a restaurant, this is exactly what we do. Go ahead and just put some of our garnish in our bowl. Very elegant, luxurious dish. Little pieces of chervil, just to give it some finishing touches and elegance. Or a couple of flakes of our finishing salt. And there we have poached turbot, sous vide, 57 degrees, petit pois à la française.